Business Break, sponsored by Deuterman Law Group.
Today we have Tom Lamm, a workers' comp attorney with the Deuterman Law Group. Welcome, Tom.
Happy to be here.
For those that are not familiar, you are a workers' compensation attorney, and that means that you help people that are injured on the job. I've learned through these discussions just how complicated workers' comp can be.
Absolutely, and again, it's great to be here today. So, workers' comp, we've already talked about how it's a very complex area of the law, and it's also always changing. And so it can be very complicated, and cases can get very difficult and complicated very fast.
One thing I was wondering about are cases where someone might be hurt, but at times that are a little less obviously covered by workers' comp, like when someone is hurt off the clock.
Sure, yeah, so believe it or not, you can be hurt while you're off the clock and still be eligible for benefits. There's a whole area of workers' comp law where we talk about the course and scope of employment. It's one of the basic building blocks of workers' comp. And there's been a lot of litigation over the years to define just that. But you don't have to be on the clock specifically. For example, you can be walking into work or walking out of work and fall in the parking lot. You can even be going for your break in the middle of the day and be off the clock. You're still going to be eligible for benefits in a lot of those situations, but not always. Like, for example, if you're commuting into work, that's not something that's going to be covered.
It sounds like people need to know that they can't just say no because they weren't on the clock, but it is very case by case.
Yeah, like all of our discussions, they are very fact specific, very case by case. That's why it's very important that you call one of our board certified specialists at the Deuterman Law Group. Let us consult with you and let us look at the specific facts in your case, and we'll look and see what you may be entitled to and if you have a valid claim, even if you weren't on the clock.
Thanks for your time, Tom. For more information, visit DeutermanLaw.com.